Excellent. Here we are, Cranbury Park, early morning Saturday. It is finally nice. Finally. And we've got Sylvester off leash. Sylvester! Come! Come, baby. Show us your skills. Good boy. Oh my God, what a good boy. Very good boy. Look at this. Look at this guy. Congratulations, Sylvester. Wow, you're going to train so easy. Yeah. All right, let's go. Bum, bum, bum. Let's go, puppies. Gracie. Sylvester, stay close. God, brilliant. All right, guys, let's go. Sylvester. Sylvester. Come. Sylvester. Shh. Sylvester, come. No, he's too busy. Come, darling. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. And there's the motion max. Oh, how nice. Finally, we have no more freezing rain. For how long, I wonder. So peaceful today. Sylvester, no disappearing. Good boy, Mushy. Good boy, Mushy. They're all very relaxed. This place is true paradise for dogs. I mean, seriously. Abigail. Abigail? Can we say hi to your mom? No, not too fast. Abby, look at me. Abby. Psst. Abby. 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 There we go. Well, not very good. Sorry, Anna. Hey, mush, mush.